Hallway testing. So first of all, what is hallway testing? Basically, it's a method of testing where you just take your application on your phone, go out into the hallway, and ask your colleagues, your friends about your application, let them use it, and observe. And why you should do that? Well, that's because people will show you how the application is actually used in the field. And what does that mean? It means you'll get to learn the perspective from other people. What do they think while they are using your application? Maybe there is something you have missed, and people will use your application in unexpected ways. So the process, for example, of adding a stock in your application, while you thought it might be a simple process, it might turn out that people hate it, that it's too complex, and they think about other things while trying to do that. So, and you won't learn that by just developing the application alone. And secondly, people will help you clarify the problem that you're trying to solve with your application. So you can ask them, does that solve your problem? Do you see that useful? And they'll give you feedback, and you can talk about the actual problem that you're trying to solve. And then you can see if the actual problem is solved with the application. So that's really valuable feedback. And in the end, you really don't know what you don't know. And when you take your application out in the field, people will let you know things, or you will learn things that you haven't even realized that there is such an aspect of it. In this section, we have talked about big O notation and data structures and how to make use of them to get a better performance in your application. And then we moved on to unit tests and Mockito with Espresso. So using these frameworks, we have learned how we can construct tests that will help you test various aspects of the application at the various levels. And then we use those frameworks in integration tests, and we have covered what it has UI Automator to offers. And finally, we took a quick look at the hallway testing. And the next section is going to be about professional touch, about finalizing your application for the field deployment.